What's going on, folks? Hope everyone's having a great day. Welcome back to another episode. Last time you guys seen me, I was out on Lake St. Clair fishing for muskie. Hope you guys tuned into that. If you didn't, please make sure to go ahead and check it out. Today we have overcast skies, little chance of light rain, but we do have 44km/h gusts and it's going to be windy. I do apologize if the wind is messing with the audio. I'm gonna do my best. So the deal today is we're gonna be out looking for bass, pike, muskie, maybe even some walleye. So we're gonna be trying for whatever, really. We might even take some fish home. I have been craving fish. Stick around, guys. Okay, folks, we're gonna surf our way out of here. Thing about the Hovies, especially the PA14, which is what I'm using, they are so stable. Guys, today we're gonna be doing things like maybe jigging the river with jig heads and plastics, bucking baits. We're gonna be probably wacky rigging, Texas rigging for bass, topwater frogs, maybe throwing spinner baits and big swim baits for pike and muskie. We're gonna be doing all types of stuff, trying to put in a pattern and see if we can get some fish to bite today. So yeah, let's hope for the best. Water is very clean today. I was thinking with the wind it might be a bit stained, but that is not the case, thankfully. We do have a humidity warning today. It's going to be feeling like 90, so I made sure to get my hydration in, get some water. But yeah, it is looking very nice. I can probably even start in here if I really wanted to, but I don't know. I've never really done too good in here. If you guys are local and you guys fish the LaSalle Marina, let me know if you guys do good here, because for the most part this area is very highly pressured and I never really do too successful. But there are some other canals that most people can't get to without a kayak or a boat, and those are what I'm going to be focusing on today, those less pressured areas, and they seem to have a little bit more fish in them, or at least more fish that are willing to bite. Now you guys can see we got some good cloudage, nice overcast. The weed growth is it's pretty good right now. We are in probably the end of summer almost. You got some weed growth right there, you can see. And in front of us we have the beautiful, mighty Detroit River. The only problem with the weeds is with the pedals I got, they really bend them out, so I gotta really be careful and make sure to, you know, zigzag around them if I can. Best bet is to just go all the way out right past these buoys and then work my way around the weed beds. But it is kind of risky. It's very windy today. I don't know if you guys ever seen my one video where I got caught out here in a storm. That was very scary. You guys may think it wasn't that bad, but trust me, when you're actually out here, it's scary, man. But yeah, I'll catch you guys when I make a first cast. Alright guys, so I made it to my canal and you can see there's nobody here and it's just, you know, no pressure. So the fish are gonna be more willing to bite in here, and I'm gonna be using the spinner bait, no skirt. The trailer is a bucking shiner, and I don't know what color it is. He just kind of tossed me. You know, that's what happens when you have good friends. Thank you, Buck. And I just got some 20-pound fluorocarbon on here, and we're just gonna be throwing it, hoping for whatever bites. I'm just using this bait caster combo. This is a lose. And then I got my iRod Air. It's just a 7-foot medium heavy action, and we already got a backlash. Come on. Oh my goodness. Great start to the day, guys. Great start. Oh my god, what is going on here? Oh, I see. So that's always good when you have a little knot in your line and then you got to retie. Oh my goodness. Alright, whatever. I actually think that's a uni knot that I tied, but that's not any good. Probably gonna not be able to use this. Alright. So I noticed my spinnerbait isn't really running properly. All you have to do is make sure the line is on there correctly, and then you can just adjust it by simply bending it as so, and then check again, and now it's running a little better. All right, let's see what we can get here. Just casting right over these weeds, hoping for some pike or bass or a muskie. I'm getting blown because this wind is just so strong today. So really gonna have to watch out, not bump into the brake wall like I'm about to do here. Got to be something in this canal. What a beautiful day. The breeze really helps out with the humidity. If it wasn't for the breeze, I'd probably be dying. Thank you for the overcast too, covering the sun. Also, another tip, guys, when it's windy, it's a great idea to throw a spinnerbait. That wind's going to be pushing bait around, and that's going to probably be the main forage for these fish right now, is bait fish. So yeah, whenever you guys see wind, throw a spinnerbait. Hoping I can dial in on some nice fish in here. The weeds are actually not that bad in here. I thought they'd be much worse. Get mad at me if I took home a largemouth? I know it's like a hugely frowned upon thing, taking home bass, but it wouldn't hurt if you took one bass home. Come on. Slow and steady retrieve is what I'm doing today. Water clarity is just beautiful. It's not too clear. It's got a little bit of a green to it, but that's what you want. When it's too clear, it's just tough to get a bite. They get to look at that bait a little bit too good, and they'll point out any of those flaws. Line in here is getting all knotted up. So one thing I miss about braid, or I like about braid, if I can not get caught into my kayak, yeah, braid doesn't seem to tangle up that much. But really, we're just out here to have fun, you know. Don't got high expectations. knot in my line is not good. See if there's anything on this weed edge. Probably fish all over this break wall. I do really good on break walls in the summer. Not sure why they like to hang out on them, but catch a lot of bowfin on break walls too. Flipping on break walls is really good too. If you guys got flipping baits, creature baits, jigs, crawfish jigs, wacky rig, Texas rig, any type of what's the word? Help me out. Oh! Any type of finesse baits. So you guys can see this little knot. I don't know if you can, but this guy right here is giving us a hard time. So what I'm gonna do is cut it off. Got my nail clippers here. These are perfect for cutting line, especially braid. You just, you know, cut it so effortlessly. And I'm gonna hand line the spinner bait. And guys, make sure to always keep your you know, discarded line with you. Do not throw it, do not litter it into the water or onto the bank. Always just, you know, keep it in your pocket or keep it in your boat until you can throw it out in the garbage, because you gotta respect your environment, especially if you're a fisherman. You wanna, you know, keep fishing and, you know, have some respect for your wildlife, right? So just kind of throw it in there. Holy wind! This is crazy. I would not want to be on the river right now, especially in a kayak. As stable and big as this is, it'd still probably give me a hard time. Alright. Okay. Well, now I have like almost no line. So that didn't really help much, but at least I won't get backlash too much. Oh yeah, that's the end of that line. Okay, I'm gonna have to switch rods. Oh, those blades shine so nice in the sun. Stand up. That's why I love my Hobie EA14. I can stand up in it no problem. Guys, when you're throwing spinner baits, make sure to give it a nice twitch to get them blades going. As soon as you cast it, as soon as it touches the water, just twitch it. Those blades should start going. Holy cow, I'm like a sailboat out here. Oh man. I just had a huge piece of weeds on my bait. I thought it was a freaking follow-up pike. That scared me. Alright, we're reaching the back of this canal now. See what's in the back of this canal. Make sure you guys don't take your bait out of the water too fast. Don't be in a hurry to, because there could be a fish following it. Sorry about the wind, guys, but it is snack time. We got some salted pretzels with, I believe, peanut butter inside. So good. Also got some cake. You guys like my pink Tupperware thing? Oh my god. I think this is cornbread. That's so good. Hello Kitty. We're at the beginning of the canal now. I'd like to catch a bowfin. These fish are sweet. Shallow here. Terrible cast. Literally feel like a sailboat. Oh! Oh! Oh no! Oh! My line just came out my reel. I mean, I did expect it to happen, but holy, because I had such a little line, it just came off. It just caught the eye. That's the only thing that was holding it. Alright, I'm done with this rod. I gotta put some more line on there. Oh man, at least I didn't lose it. That would have been littering, and I would have lost the bait. That is off. Look at that. all gone. That's all I had left on my reel. You guys can tell, I have not been fishing in a while. I need to, you know, make sure my lines have reel on them. Or my lines have reel on them. Wow. The story of today's day, guys. My reel has line on them, is what I meant to say. Alright. I'm grabbing the other rod. Actually, I'm gonna put this rod here, my tactical rod, and I'm gonna throw my St. Croix, this Swimbait. Got some really heavy 30-pound braid on there, and see what we can catch with the Swimbait. Doesn't that look tasty? St. Croix Premier with a Pro Max. I believe the Pro Max is Abu Garcia. 30-pound Power Pro green braid. I believe I just seen a bunch of bait fish. That's a good sign. Clips are getting in the way from my life jacket. Something that's cool about this Swimbait, I'll show you guys. It's got these little ridges. I don't know if you guys can see. It's got ridges on the tail. It just adds more action to that tail, more vibration. Oh, I forgot who makes this bait, to be honest. I think Matsuo. It's just one of those swim baits you can get at like Walmart or any you know, local store. I think that's where I got it from, Walmart. I think Crocs are probably the best footwear for fishing. You guys like my black Crocs? They're perfect for fishing. Breathable. You can step on anything. They're not like flip-flops that might, you know, might come off or. And I got them in sports mode. Oh yeah. Cabbage.